today I'm showing you my brand new house. It is built in 2005. It's a custom built home. We didn't obviously custom build it, but there's a lot of fun features in this house. So I just want to show you the empty home tour. All right, so here is the entryway. I love this huge door. I have these two little sconces, which I think are really cute. And it has two turny stairs. I really love that. And from the entryway, you can see into the living room, the dining room, and then this little door is, on the plans, it's a nursery, but we are using it as a office for my husband. So back in the entryway is the dining room, which I think is gonna look really good with my hutch back there, and I like the bright windows in the front. And this floor is laminate. I don't think we're gonna be able to match it, so we're probably going to, hi Sammy! We're probably going to put new flooring throughout because I want the same flooring. And this is like a white beigey carpet. We have this nice little Harry Potter closet under the stairs for good storage, our vacuums and things like that. I also love all the arches and how open it is, but it's also separate rooms, separate ceilings. So we walk into the living room, got the ceiling fan going, with two sliding doors that lead out to the back deck, and there's a pool back there. There is this little entertainment area. We're gonna be redoing that wall because it doesn't make sense to me right now. And of course everything's gonna get a fresh coat of paint. We're gonna eventually get rid of all this light carpet in the main living area. Hi Sam. And then you can see the kitchen. So you can see kitchen, dining room, entryway, living room. So it's open, but it's still broken up, which I really like. I don't like actual open floor plans. And here's the back deck, which goes to the pool, a little outdoor kitchen. So let's go into the kitchen, and we have granite, this like black, brown, speckly granite, which I've never had granite in a house. Excuse our McDonald's. And here's the big kitchen. They did a good job of cleaning it out too. Hi Sam. I like that it's an eat-in kitchen. I like the full glass doors. I like all the windows. And look how much cabinet space we have. It's so much storage. We are gonna have to replace the appliances eventually as well. Dishwasher. This is a Gen Air oven. And then we have this gas cooktop, which I'm excited about. I don't love the backsplash, but I am thankful to have one. I love the glass front things. I can display all my Ray Dunn in there. I love the drawers. And then also in the cabinets, they have the pull-outs, which I really, really like. So from the side kitchen door, here is an overview. And then there is the laundry room, which the kids are hiding out in. Say hi.
Hi.
It has a laundry sink and washer and dryer and so much room. I'm gonna turn this room into a pantry as well because we don't have an actual pantry. So we walked past the living room, and I am obsessed. I mean, I don't love that lighting, but I am obsessed with this little vanity. I think it's so cute in this little teeny powder room. See, I don't like all the different colors of flooring. I don't really get that. I want to make it all seamless. Then you walk down here and enter the master bedroom. And I love the tray ceilings. I love all the windows. And that's the master bathroom. It's huge. and you come in here. This is the master closet with plenty of space and storage. And the master bathroom has these 2 glass windows. I'm gonna get some frosting to put on there. And this is the new floor that had to get put in because they had a burst pipe underneath the house. Definitely want to do 2 sinks in here. We're gonna get rid of this gorgeous looking, it's not exactly seashell, but we're gonna get rid of that. And put 2 sinks in here. And this tub deck is like ridiculous. I would eventually like to put just a freestanding tub in here and maybe even a door out to the back patio. There's a fire pit behind this area. And here is the shower, which is a walk-in shower. But there's obviously, we need to do some like recaulking and things like that in here. Very interesting tile choices. Very 2005, but I can appreciate it. And here is the little toilet room. We are back in the foyer, going up the stairs. Like I said, I love this and love how open it is in here. Go up here. They have a little doggy baby gate. This will be the kids' loft area for them to hang out in. I love how big and open it is. They have a little bar area. This is actually like a little wet bar. So we're gonna put a mini fridge back here with a microwave and stuff like that so the kids can like hang out back here with their friends. I think Sammy likes it. This is gonna be my son's room. This is a rec room, but he's gonna use it as his room. It's huge in here. It's like 3 rooms put together, but he's 16. He has 2 closets back here. And then it leads into another room in here. So he has like a 3-room suite over here. Back in the loft area, that is gonna be my office. That's my daughter's room. This is her bathroom is attached. We're definitely repainting in here. It all needs like a little bit of love. But this is my son and daughter's shared bathroom, but he got the big room and she got the room with the 2 closets and the attached bathroom. So she's really excited about this. Obviously we're gonna be repainting. This was a Broncos room at one time. Okay, so here's another look at my daughter's room. Definitely repainting this. It's gonna be hard to repaint. Her room connects to the bathroom. We have so much space in this house. I'm super excited. Obviously all the carpets need to be cleaned and eventually replaced, which we will do, but I love that big picture window. And this room is gonna be my office. It's got 2 closets, has a cute little baseball mural, which I'll paint over eventually. Yeah, it's gonna be perfect up here. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I really had a lot of fun sharing with you this home tour, this before home tour. There's so much to do in this house. I'm so excited. There's gonna be tons of content, tons of like stepping outside of my normal comfort zone with as far as decorating and things like that. Every single room in this house has to have something done to it. I really enjoy that kind of thing. I love renovating and decorating and really making over a space. So if you love that thing, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course share with your friends. And this week there will be my very first clean with me in the new house, and you know, there is just so much to do here. Tons of organizing, decorating, deep cleaning, decluttering, you name it, I am gonna do it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. I hope everyone is staying in and staying safe, and I will see you soon.
Daydreaming is my new middle name. This is not a game for me. Imagining is my new best friend, and red is all I see. I got a PhD.